Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Douglas Road Elementary School, home of the Kicking Mules, and got to share my heart today with all the grades, 2 separate afternoon assemblies, young 5s through 5th grade, and just a true honor to be able to speak to a lot of them. A lot of them had something to share with me afterwards, a connection they had with the different stories that I share throughout the programs. And that was always, very heart touching for me. To know something really sunk in, some of those pin drop moments. But the main message was on bullying, the sub theme being looking at the heart first, right? And choosing to see somebody for their heart before anything else. Our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. One finger's ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. But also too, because in just 2 seconds, we can either uplift someone high as the clouds, stays on their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so mean, so negative that it stays on their heart in a bad way for the rest of their life. And I love, all around the school, you see different kindness messages, but they have these behavior expectations in various hallways too, talking about being respectful, being responsible, and being kind. I think that's all of those kind of played into today's focus, right? Especially the kindness piece. The shirt I have on, the need human kindness piece that starts in our heart. But all of us have that choice, to be able to rise above any hate, any past or current pain, turn hurt people who hurt people, a big reason why I believe bullying happens, into healed people who heal people. And that means we see each other for the heart first, but also for this too, bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. Right? I trace one of mine here, but we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this. We have to buy into this, right? And know that, the impact of our actions, even the smallest one, could potentially change a life forever, right? Sometimes even save a life. And so, again, through a series of, heartfelt anecdotes and positive music, some inspirational videos, the powerful picture slides. That's how I was really able to reinforce and, hammer home some of these life lessons, that we really wanted to kind of take to heart. But also, now that we have that, now it's up to us to go live that. Right. And I already heard a couple of classrooms had some really good discussions, already put a couple things into practice, into play. So that's always very inspiring for me to know that these students, even at a young age, want to really be the change and really make a difference. And so, again, it's just so relevant in today's day and age, this message of kindness, of compassion, of empathy, of being respectful, to both ourselves and to others. Right. And again, just a great afternoon. This is now my 3rd time getting to come and visit and share my heart. We did it virtually a couple of years ago. Also talked about leadership in the past as well as positivity, but today we took it up a level, again, with that focus on seeing someone for this before anything else. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Never forget that. Have a great rest of the school year, and hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.